Hello, welcome to our presentation video. We are group 1 and on this video we are going to present the materials about discourse analysis. The first materials will be presented by me, Berti Wulandari Sanauno. The second will be presented by Debri Maria Mokesa, and the last one will be presented by Mirari. So here we go. Alright, before we look to the definition of discourse analysis, we are going to define what is discourse and what is analysis. So, discourse is generally refers to the way language is used to convey meaning in a particular context or situation. It can refer to a spoken or written conversation, a debate, a lecture, or any other form of communication that is involves the exchange of ideas and information between people as well. Next, after define what is discourse, we are going to define what is analysis. So, analysis refers to the process of examining and breaking down something into its constituent parts to gain a better understanding of it. It involves careful and systematic examination of data, information, or a problem to identify patterns, relationship, and connection between different elements. So the discourse analysis is an interdisciplinary field of study that examines the ways in which language is used in social contexts. It involves analyzing both spoken and written language in order to understand the meanings, function, and social practices that are conveyed through communication. Also, discourse analysis is concerned with how language is used to construct social reality. It aims to understand how communication reinforces or challenges power relationship and cultural norms.
Alright, the next I will explain about the origins of discourse analysis. The earliest roots of discourse analysis can be found in the work of linguists such as Ferdinand de Saussure and his followers, who were interested in the structure of language and its relationship to meaning. However, the modern field of discourse analysis was heavily influenced by the work of Michel Foucault, a French philosopher and historian. Foucault's ideas about power, knowledge, and discourse had a profound impact on the development of discourse analysis as a field of study. And we move to the development of discourse analysis. The development of discourse analysis can be tracked back to the 1960 and 1970 when linguists begin to question the traditional focus on sentence-level grammar and syntax. In the 1980 and 1990, discourse analysis became more interdisciplinary as scholars from different fields begin to adopt its method. For example, sociolinguists use discourse analysis to examine how power relations are embedded in language use, while psycholinguists used to study the cognitive process involved in language comprehension and production. In recent years, discourse analysis has continued to evolve and expand. New techniques have been developed such as multimodal discourse analysis, which examines how language is used in conjunction with other semiotic systems such as image and gestures.
Discourse analysis roles in daily life. First, communication. Discourse analysis can help us understand the way in which people communicate with one another. By analyzing the language and social interactions of individuals, we can identify patterns of communication that can help us improve our own communication skills. The second is politics. Discourse analysis can be used to study political speeches, debates, and media coverage. This can help us understand the way in which politicians and political parties frame issues and appeal to different audience. The third is advertising. Discourse analysis can be used to analyze advertising campaigns and the language used to persuade consumers to buy products. By understanding the technique used in advertising, we can become more critical consumers. The fourth, education. Discourse analysis can be used in education to understand the way in which teachers and students communicate with one another. This can help educators to identify effective teaching strategies and to create more inclusive learning environments. The fifth is social justice. Discourse analysis can be used to examine the language used to discuss social justice issues. This can help us to identify best on to work towards creating more equitable society.
That's all for our presentation. See you and thank you.